Hi friends, and today I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain on a VPS server from DigitalOcean. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and hit the like button. And if you want to thank me and keep this channel going, be sure to sign up to DigitalOcean using the link that I have in the description, and you will also get a bonus of $10. So it's a win-win situation. So first off, you're going to need to go to Namecheap. I'm going to show you this using Namecheap, but you can actually use any registrar. The same principles will apply. So go ahead and sign in. Once you've logged in, go to your domain list, and you'll see the list of all the domains that you have with Namecheap. Select the domain that you will be using for this. I will be using tracker1.us. And click right here to manage it. Your domain is going to load, and you're going to find yourself under the domain tab. Just check that under name servers you have Namecheap Basic DNS. If you don't, just change to Namecheap Basic DNS and then click over to Advanced DNS. Once you're in Advanced DNS, you'll see these two lines with A records, which means that these IP addresses point to your domain tracker1.us in this case. And you will already have this in place because you're probably already using the domain. The whole secret now is to add the subdomain. So click Add a New Record. Click A record, and under host you will type the actual name of your subdomain. So I'm gonna have a subdomain that is called 1, and my IP address is gonna be exactly the same as the IP address of the server that I've been using. So just copy the IP address and click Save Changes, and click Save Changes to this as well. Great. Your changes have been saved. So just remember your domain, your subdomain is right here under host, and mine is 1. You can be whatever you want. So it's going to be, so my whole URL is going to be 1.tracker1.us. The next steps will be exactly the same as if you were creating a server block. So please go to my server block video, watch it, and the steps will be exactly the same, with one difference. Each time you type in your domain, like tracker1.us, you'll want to have the whole subdomain with your actual domain there as well. So you're going to use 1.tracker1.us, and in your HTML folder, you're going to have your tracker1.us folder, and you're going to create a new folder that's going to be called 1.tracker1.us. So the procedure is exactly the same as if you were creating a new server block, or in other words, a new website. So just go through that, through those instructions, and remember to type in your subdomain along with your domains in those commands. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment, rate, subscribe, and don't forget to log in using that link. Bye.